Take a breath. Look outside. The trees, the clouds, the silence behind the wind. Now ask yourself something you've never dared to ask. What if Earth isn't just a rock floating in space? What if we are living inside something conscious, something alive? This isn't a theory, it's a portal, and if you walk through it, you may never see the world the same again. We've always called Earth a planet, but the word planet is cold, dry, mechanical. Yet Earth regulates its temperature, balances oxygen and carbon dioxide, maintains oceans, forests, rainfall and weather. For 3.8 billion years it's kept itself alive, despite asteroid impacts, volcanoes and human chaos. This isn't randomness, it's self-regulation. It's a system, trying to survive. British scientist James Lovelock noticed this in the 1970s. He proposed something terrifying. What if Earth is a living organism, a conscious one? He called it Gaia, not metaphorically, not spiritually, but biologically, chemically, and physically. And once you see the signs, you can't unsee them. Deep under your feet in the soil of ancient forests lies something incredible. A massive fungal network called mycorrhiza. This isn't science fiction, it's real. Trees use it to share nutrients, warn each other of danger, even remember traumatic events. It's not just a network, it behaves like a nervous system. And when scientists studied its patterns, they looked disturbingly like a brain. So, if forests have minds, who's coordinating them? What if the entire biosphere is a kind of super consciousness? What if Earth is thinking, right now? In one experiment, a man merely thought about cutting a leaf. The plant registered stress on an EEG monitor before he moved. In another, trees miles apart synchronized their chemical defenses after one of them was damaged. No physical connection, no wind, just communication. Plants sense, they react, they feel. So ask yourself, if plants are aware, and forests are intelligent networks, is it really crazy to think the planet itself is aware? Maybe the weather isn't just climate, maybe it's mood. Maybe earthquakes aren't just tectonics, maybe they're pain. Here's something to haunt you. When Earth gets hot, it releases clouds. When it's polluted, it grows more trees in response. When life is threatened, it adapts instantly, just like a body with an immune system. So here's the terrifying question. If Earth protects itself like a body, what if we've become the infection? Floods, fires, pandemics, collapsing ecosystems. Are these disasters or defenses? In your body, healthy cells cooperate. Cancer cells consume endlessly, multiply without purpose, destroy their host. Look around you, cities expanding, oceans choking, species vanishing. We invent, build, burn, grow, exploit. Are we the neurons of a global brain, or a tumor in Gaia's body? What if the Earth isn't just aware, but on the verge of awakening? What if these global events are contractions? Labor pains before consciousness fully emerges. Some cultures believe the Earth dreams us into existence. But what happens when the dreamer opens its eyes? Here's the craziest idea you'll hear today. We are not just living on Earth, we're living within its consciousness. Every rock, every river, every cloud may be the symbolic thought of a cosmic mind. Maybe time is how it processes memory. Maybe space is how it organizes thought. And maybe humans are Earth's self-reflection mechanism. Your ideas, your fears, your wildest inventions, what if they didn't originate in you? What if Gaia is dreaming through you, like a sleeping titan whispering messages to itself? A forest grows in your mind, a galaxy hums in your chest, and the planet watches, waits, remembers. Maybe Earth isn't a rock, maybe it's a being. And if it's a being, it will defend itself. We are guests in something ancient, and like all guests, we must decide, will we harmonize with the host, or be removed like a virus? Maybe we were never living on Earth, but within her. If Earth is alive, can it die? Or worse, can it evolve beyond us? Find out in the next video. So, yeah, subscribe because we don't make content, we make awakenings.